So we've got another jobs to do on the GTI. We've got a wing mirror, right? And this wing mirror has got the sort of little light underneath it, and it's also folding. So when we bought the car, the passenger wing mirror didn't fold in. So every time you locked the car, it was like bird with one wing. One wing mirror shut and the other one didn't. So we're just going to quickly swap this wing mirror over. I'll show you how to do it. It's fairly simple. Just need to whip the door card off, undo the 2 bolts, swap the connectors over and put the new one back on. Anyone should be able to do this at home with like a basic set of tools, to be fair. So we're just going to get straight into it. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the 2 bolts up on the inside of the door for the wing mirror. Basically, I've taken this panel off already. This just clips in here. So there's like a little slot, as you can see at the top, just there. You just need a screwdriver in and it just pops off. There's obviously clips all the way along the back, so do be careful not to break them. But just like an easy bit of prying, it should come off. There's 2 bolts inside here, both Torx screws. Oh, maybe there's 1 inside this one, sorry. There's 1 Torx screw up there. There's usually 2 inside these. 1 Torx screw up there. And then we've got a 10mm underneath that you just have to spin around, sort of 90 degrees. And I think that's pretty much it. And the rest of you guys, I'm hoping you can see. The thing has been spun round. The 10mm bolt here has been spun around 90 degrees, so it's now sort of facing vertical with the door. And then that bolt's undone. And I'm going to try and get it on video of me just pulling the door card off. So you've got to just put your hand inside here, just brace the door and pull, and it should just pop off the clips. So there's 1 more Torx and it's just under here. So it's like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this off now, and then we should be able to pop the door card off. So hopefully you can see the door card. I'm just going to pop this off. Hopefully that was a good enough video for you to see. So we've got inside the door now. It's just a clip. But yeah, so the wires come down through the wing mirror. We're going to have to check which plug is actually on the wing mirror. So it's a black wing mirror plug with a red tag. Sort of looks like one of these plugs. And what we're going to do now is just feed it back through and see if we can find the plug. I think it is this one here. It looks like it comes through from this hole. It's the same wire, black with blue. So if we unclip this from here, which is just pull the tag out like that, press it in, it should just pull out. So once that's out, we can then push this grommet through. Push that through the door. We need 2 hands to do that. We'll get these bolts undone, and then the wing mirror should just pull out. So right, so the old wing mirror is now off. You see this clip, this green clip, that's what was stopping the wire from coming out. So that clips in from behind, just underneath this box here. So you've just got to press each side of the clip and push it through. And then when you thread it up through the top, you're threading it up through quite a small gap. So you've just got to wiggle it. I've pulled out this as well, just so I could see in better, see what was going on with it. So now it's just a case of putting the wire back down through, getting it through this hole, clipping that green clip in, possibly be able to get through to that green clip through this hole, and then connecting the cable back up. To get the wire threaded back through. The green clip, just so you can see, is pushed back in up there. So basically, if you unplug all these wires out the box, then you're able to pull this grommet right down out of the way and sort of thread it through and get your finger in behind to push that in. Now it's just a case of plugging all these wires back up exactly where they go. It's dead easy. These just plug in. No issues with any of these. This one is a bit different, so you have to plug it in and then crank it down and it locks itself in place. And then this one was part of the door card, and then you've got your big one again that needs to go facing downwards into that hole there. It's the exact same thing, so the red clip has to be out. The red clip has to be out all the way, fully. It slides in and then pushes in. Now it's just a case of putting the door card back on, tightening these two bolts up, which I'm sure you can do on your own. And then that's pretty much it. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. It's a fairly easy job. Obviously wing mirrors get knocked off all the time. This could come in useful.